guys, it's me, Alex, and we're gonna open the Mario mystery box. I think there's loads of stuff in there that I might like. Well, let's open it. Yeah. Oh, cool. A Mario mystery block, I don't know. A shirt. Oh, wow, this looks awesome. This shirt looks absolutely awesome. What the? Oh, wow. Gosh.
What's that one? Harmony, wait.
Wow.
You're going to see.
It's a gift series.
Let me see. You can open it.
Now let me open it. Looks like we got
Hi, Harmony.
Let's figure out if we gotta build it or not. Oh no, we got to. I hate building.
I'll help you, okay?
Good.
Mom, I want to give to Max one.
Okay.
Okay, these are the instructions.
I'll help you with that.
We will build it. Oh, cool.
What is that?
Ring, I don't know.
Let me see.
Exactly.
Can I see? Oh, that is so cute, though. I don't even know what it is, but that is so cute. Wait, can I show
It
them?
looks like a string. Wait, let me see what it does.
No, wait, wait, no. It's supposed to... Can I show you what it's supposed to do? It's literally just like... It's supposed to show, like, Mario riding the Yoshi, which is so cute. That is adorable.
Yeah. Look. Amiibo. An amiibo.
It's an amiibo? Yeah, which one is it? The Yarn Yoshi?
Yeah, from Yoshi's Woolly World.
Let me see.
It's the blue Yarn Yoshi, though. Yeah. I'm opening it. Come on, open. Yeah.
Looks like...
Bobby, let's open this when we're about to go sleep, okay, Mom?
Okay. It looks like this is a Yoshi theme.
A Yoshi theme, man.
Yeah, that means that everything is Yoshi in this one. I like it. I love the shirt. You're going to wear the shirt?
Yeah. I'm going to wear the shirt, like... I'm going to wear the shirt.
This is a big shirt.
Yeah, I'm going to wear the shirt tomorrow.
Okay.
Look, can I see you?
Yeah, let her see. Who is that? Who is that? Who's on there?
Yoshi, a green Yoshi, and a Mario riding a Yoshi.
Yeah.
Wait, cousin?
Yeah. Please don't annoy me.
She's not annoying you. Stop it.
Okay, I'm just joking.
Did you get it open? Do you need my help?
No thanks.
No thanks, because you're a big boy. You got it?
Oh,
There you go. Good job.
oh. Now what do we...
Oh, wait, let me see. Oh, okay.
Out. You just gotta open this package and then open that one. What the?
Can I see?
Wow! Are you kidding me?
Can I see it? I can help you.
There's a wrapper here. No thanks. I can try to do it by myself.
There's a Yoshi, a green Yoshi.
You love it?
Right in,
Okay, I need to open this first.
Yoshi, the green Yoshi.
Help me!
You told me that. You said you could do it by yourself. Give me.
I can.
On the Yoshi.
I can help you.
Mario.
Can I see? Oh my goodness. And then lastly,
Help me.
we got...
No, help me!
Oh my goodness. Let me see. Give it to me.
Just open the string and then I'll do the rest. What the? One in the... That's How did you do that?
Because I'm super mom.
Yeah,
It fell in my lap.
Yoshi.
Oh, Yoshi kissed them. And that's it? And the last thing we got is this one. This is a postcard. Tell them.
This is a postcard of Mario with the super suit riding Yoshi.
Let me see.
And Yoshi floating with the world.
Let me see. That's awesome.
Yeah. So
Mommy,
see you guys. Peach. No. Billy Butt.